Massage therapy, an ancient practice with roots in India, China, and Egypt, offers profound benefits for both physical and mental well being, evolving into a sophisticated therapeutic art. This therapeutic approach involves the skilled manipulation of the body's soft tissues, including muscles and connective tissues. It has become a vital component of modern integrative medicine, promoting healing and alleviating tension. One of the primary advantages of massage therapy is its remarkable ability to significantly reduce stress levels. It offers a powerful, natural antidote to the pressures of daily life. Massage achieves this by lowering cortisol levels, the body's main stress hormone, which can be detrimental when elevated. Simultaneously, it boosts feel good hormones like serotonin and dopamine, promoting a deep sense of well being. Improved circulation is another key benefit of regular massage therapy. It actively enhances both blood and lymphatic flow throughout the entire body, essential for overall health and vitality. This increased flow ensures vital oxygen and nutrients are delivered more efficiently to tissues. It also significantly aids in the removal of metabolic waste products and toxins, promoting cellular health and detoxification. Massage also promotes deep muscle relaxation by increasing muscle temperature, which helps loosen tight fibers. It stimulates the release of endorphins, the body's natural pain relievers and mood elevators. These potent natural pain relievers, endorphins, work to ease deep-seated muscular tension and discomfort. Their release promotes a profound sense of calm and tranquility throughout the entire body. For countless individuals struggling with restful sleep, massage therapy offers a remarkably effective and natural solution. It can significantly improve sleep quality and duration. Massage therapy actively helps regulate key hormones like serotonin and melatonin, crucial for a healthy sleep cycle. By balancing these vital hormones, it contributes to better quality rest and rejuvenation. Pain relief is a significant advantage, with massage effectively addressing a wide spectrum of chronic conditions. These include persistent back pain, widespread fibromyalgia discomfort, and debilitating tension headaches, offering a non-pharmacological approach. Specifically for back pain, massage increases blood flow to the affected area, nourishing tissues and reducing inflammation. It expertly reduces deep muscle tension and stiffness, improving overall range of motion and flexibility. This highly targeted approach is instrumental in alleviating persistent discomfort and actively restoring lost flexibility and mobility. It empowers individuals to move more freely and comfortably. For athletes and active individuals, massage therapy plays a crucial role in both recovery from sports injuries and optimizing athletic performance. It's a vital tool for maintaining peak physical condition. Massage therapy aids in treating strains, tendinitis, and sprains by actively reducing inflammation in injured areas. It carefully breaks down restrictive scar tissue and promotes faster, more efficient healing of damaged tissues. Beyond its extensive physical benefits, massage therapy also profoundly and positively impacts mental health. It offers a powerful pathway to mental well-being and emotional balance. Massage therapy is known to significantly reduce symptoms of both anxiety and depression. By fostering a profound sense of deep relaxation, it helps quiet the mind, alleviate emotional distress, and improve overall mood. The combination of a calming, serene environment and intentional, therapeutic touch creates a unique sanctuary for the mind. This holistic experience contributes to cultivating a more positive mental state. Various types of massage therapy exist, each meticulously designed with specific techniques and philosophies. This diversity ensures there's a perfect massage style to cater to different individual needs and preferences. These diverse modalities include Swedish massage for relaxation, deep tissue for chronic knots, sports massage for athletic recovery, hot stone for soothing warmth, shiatsu, aromatherapy, and dynamic Thai massage. Indeed, each distinct style offers its own unique set of benefits. These range from gentle, calming relaxation provided by lighter techniques to intense, therapeutic muscle work for deep-seated tension and injury recovery. Whether you seek effective relief from chronic pain, accelerated recovery from injury, or simply a moment of tranquility, massage therapy offers a truly holistic and deeply rewarding path to overall wellness and improved quality of life. We encourage you to consider incorporating this ancient, yet ever relevant, therapeutic practice into your regular wellness routine. By doing so, you can unlock a healthier, more balanced, and fulfilling life.